Hello everyone. In the previous video, we had explored how to hack into victims' social networking accounts such as Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn accounts using phishing attacks. This video focuses more towards defending yourself from such attacks in future and avoid being compromised. Some of the key notes to consider before opening any malicious link from known or unknown source. You should never open a link which you don't trust, or if you trust the link, make sure not to provide any sensitive information such as username, passwords, bank account details, etc. In most of the scenarios, attackers create the phishing page so legitimate that it looks like the real page. But they cannot control all the aspects of it, such as they cannot control the exact URL of the site which they are targeting. For example, a phishing Facebook site will never have the URL similar to the real Facebook URL. The trick uses by having similar looking URL which looks like facebook.com but will not be similar to facebook.com. There will be some sort of difference in the URL. Like we can see one in the slide, it's not entirely the facebook.com, it's facebook.com, which is not facebook.com. So if the user is in hurry, they're not going to pay attention to such details and they'll end up being compromised. So always cross check the URL before submitting the credentials. Last but not the least, protect your computer with a firewall, spam filters, antivirus, and an anti-spyware software. The most of these components comes in the form of suite, which is available in the form of most antivirus solutions, modern antivirus solution nowadays. But if you're not updating your antivirus solution on periodic basis, then it is another piece of box with no protection enabled. I hope this information will help you to protect yourself in future from such attacks. Thank you for taking the course.